Look at all the beautiful lights. Good evening, everyone, from beautiful Columbus, Georgia, and the sun is just now setting over the horizon. Today's adventure brings us to the Ludy'S Christmas lights. This is beautiful. This is the Ludy'S Christmas Light Spectacular right here at Columbus, Georgia, in beautiful Columbus, Georgia. And you can come up here and make a donation for, I better stand over here, make a wish. That's the little ski lift right up there. And he puts little teddy bears in the seats and little monkeys and puppy dogs up there. And they just go across. He was actually looking for folks to donate their own teddy bears to put in there. And I thought, well, if I had two of the lab puppies I got over at Buc-ee's, then I would probably donate them. But I'd want one of them back. I mean, really. He can have one, I'll have the other one. But it's beautiful here. He's checking a list. And he's right there in the window. There's Santa. I see him right there in the window. And there's Santa right up there, taking flight. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, yeah. There's Santa in there waving to everybody. Hey, Jerry, how you doing?
We've been watching you all summer on Facebook. Put that together.
It's beautiful. There's a cow up there. That's a cow. I hear sleigh bells. It's Dominic the donkey. They're playing Carol of the Bells, and there's also a news station out here filming. Wow. There's Santa Claus. Oh, wow. Beautiful. I love that Ferris wheel this year. There's some new yards that are into it. That one's into it, and that one has the fountain with the candy canes over there. What would be really cool if the entire neighborhood got into it. That would be really cool. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Beautiful. Right here at the Ludy'S. Christmas Spectacular. Ow. Oh, the Hawaiian theme song. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Oh, I get it. The cannonball shoots the frog out. And the frog jumps across the way and into the fountain. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. Mm-hmm. That's a talking reindeer up there. Huh? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. From the Ludy'S. And I love that Ferris wheel. That is a beautiful nativity right there. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. You can make a donation right down there. It goes to Make-A-Wish Foundation. Sometimes Santa's sitting out there. This is so beautiful. There's Olaf. And there's the Grinch back there at Santa's workshop. And there's Santa up there underneath the tree. That is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Santa will be here. Looks like he's been here already. Wow, look at that. There's Santa's reindeer, and I see Santa right up there. There he is. That is so cute. Come out to the Ludy'S in Columbus, Georgia. Make a donation to make a wish. You may even see Santa flying through the air. There he is, flying through the air. Oh, those peppermints are pretty. And here's Santa right up here. And this is the new edition Ferris wheel right here. And it's just so pretty. I think I see some puppies on there. So pretty. That's beautiful. And then the ski lift. That's just so beautiful out here. Come by the Ludy'S Christmas Spectacular. It's just so, so pretty. In Columbus, Georgia. Every night, Santa's flying through the air. It's just so beautiful. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. And there's a little teddy bear in the seat of the Ferris wheel.